Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do an iodine test at home. First, gather your materials: a small bottle of iodine solution, a dropper, and the item you wish to test. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. This simple test helps identify the presence of starch in various substances, providing quick and clear results right in your kitchen. Now, let's perform the test. Take a small portion of your sample, like a piece of potato or a drop of liquid, and place it on a white plate or a clean surface. Using your dropper, carefully add just 1 or 2 drops of the iodine solution directly onto the sample. Give it about 30 seconds to react, then observe closely for any changes. Interpreting your results is straightforward. If the sample turns a deep blue, black, or purple color, it confirms the presence of starch. Conversely, if the iodine remains its original yellow-brown color or shows no significant change, then starch is not present. For best accuracy, you can always compare your test to a known starch, like a slice of bread. Safety is paramount when working with iodine. Always wear gloves and avoid direct skin contact, as it can stain and irritate. Store your iodine solution securely in a cool, dark place, out of reach of children and pets. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This simple home test is a fantastic way to explore the chemistry of your food safely and effectively, giving you valuable insights into what you're eating.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.